You paid premium money for your watch band, but right now it smells terrible. That ultra-comfortable fabric. It's a trap for sweat, dead skin, and bacteria. And if you've only been rinsing it under the tap, you're not cleaning it. You're just keeping the bacteria alive and wet. Let's fix that properly. Step 1. The scrub. Most people skip this, and that's exactly why the smell never goes away. You need to break through the surface first. Grab a soft toothbrush, nothing too stiff, unless you want to damage the fabric. Now focus on the problem zones, the G-hook loops, and the Velcro areas. That's where build-up hides. Use small circular motions. Take your time. Watch the water closely. When it starts turning grey, that's not dirt, that's success. Step 2. The soak. This is where most people get it wrong. Soap alone isn't enough. You need a gentle, hypoallergenic solution, something that neutralizes odor at its source. Because this band sits on your skin all day, you don't want harsh chemicals. Let it soak for about 10 minutes. This step opens up the fibers, releasing oils and grime trapped deep inside. It's the difference between something that looks clean and something that actually is clean. Now, step 3, the spin. Place your band inside a mesh laundry bag. Don't skip this. It protects the hardware and prevents snagging. Run it on a cold, delicate cycle. The motion of the wash will flush out everything you loosened in the first 2 steps. Completely. When it's done, gently pat it dry with a towel. Then let it air dry, naturally, no heat, ever. Heat destroys performance fabrics. And just like that, your band is fresh again, clean, comfortable, and completely odor-free. If this helped you out, hit like, so more people stop walking around with smelly bands. Got a stain that won't come out? Drop the color in the comments. I'll tell you exactly what to use. And don't forget to subscribe. More simple fixes like this are coming your way.